What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Now it's been a little while since I've posted a proper video, but recently I've been having some problems with my engine's coolant light. So it kind of comes on and off every now and again. My impression is that the coolant light on the dashboard, the one that's in and around here next to the engine management light, if it focuses, one that just comes up there, it comes on and off intermittently. Now my impression is that that indicates a low level in the coolant system. So let's go check that out. So we're in the engine bay of my 3 Series and our expansion tank is located just here. If I get a good enough grip on it, then I'll just take the lid off to have a look at the level. Of course, only do this when your engine is cool, otherwise you'll get boiling hot coolant all over you. Now if I take this off, you can see that our level is well and truly full. You might even be able to see some coolant down in there. No, nothing. But yeah, that indicates that my coolant is full, probably over full to be honest. So that only indicates to me that we could have a faulty lower level sensor. Now to make it easier, excuse the sirens in the background, to make it easier to get underneath the car, so all the way under there, I have jacked up on the little def jack just because I have got my car lowered on coilovers and I would not be able to fit underneath in any other scenario. Okay, let's get down here. So I've got a brand new low level sensor. Sorry about my hair, I just got out of the shower. So let's get underneath the car and I'll show you the location. Okay, so this is the bottom of our expansion tank. The plug, you just push from the back and pull, and then the plug should come straight off. Now, not sure which way, there we are. So we turn it clockwise and pull straight out. No coolant should come up, but that looks absolutely goosed. So, I'm gonna get our new sensor. Gonna get back underneath into the hole, and so you see that this goes into the hole, twist it 90 degrees, back in line with the plug. Okay, we're back in. We'll just get our plug back on until we hear a click. Sorted. Now that you've changed your sensor successfully, all you got to do now, just jack down the car. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you found this useful, please do like and subscribe. It always helps the channel, and we'll catch you in the next video. Ciao for now.